Well, hello everyone, welcome back to KRANTHI King YouTube channel. Today onwards we are providing the Navodaya mock test papers that is very important for the upcoming exam. You know all of you the Navodaya exam is on this Saturday 13th December 2025. Okay, the exam timings is the 11 to 1 o'clock. Please download your admit cards and take your hall tickets. Admit cards means hall tickets and take your hall tickets with Aadhaar card also, and before they only once visit the examination center, because uh, the examination centers are in the mostly ZBPHS schools. Little bit confusion about that if examination. That's why once go through the examination centers and see the examination center. And first thing, the examination is total 2 hours exam only. In that we have the 80 questions. 80 questions. In that 80 questions, 40 is the mental ability, 20 is the mathematics, and the next English is the 20. English 4 passages you will get. In that every passage is 5 questions. Maths. Maths is the total 20 questions. In the 20 questions, you will get from the mostly number systems only, mostly 7 to 8 questions. Follow the number system. It is very important to attempt the Navodaya. Number system is the very important. And first now I am going to explain about the some of the important questions in the mental ability. This is a total 40 questions. In that 40 questions, we have the first 40 questions total. In that 40 questions total 10. These are all the total 10 sections. Each section we will get the 4. Each section is the 4 questions. 4 questions. Every question 4 seconds. In these 10 parts, mostly it is the odd man out, and next similarities, and next incomplete figures, and next series, analogy, cutting figures, next make a square, mirror images, water images, and paper folding, shape after added figures, and next hidden figures, embedded figures. We will discuss about these 10 parts in this exam, and this is a very scoring subject in the Navodaya. Why? Because 40 questions, if you observe thoroughly, these 40 questions are the best. 40 questions you can easily do. You have the knowledge of the every part, how to. And one more thing, whenever you are doing the mental ability, that mental ability, you have to know the anti-clock and clockwise, very important. Anti-clock and clockwise. I will show that this is the clockwise direction. Whatever going to 3 is the clockwise, and anti-clock is the reverse of the clock. You have to, whenever clock is nothing but, you have to check the clock is nothing but moving of the clock, like that. And anti-clock is the reverse of the clock direction. Suppose if clock 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 3 to 4, these are all the clockwise. Reverse of the clock means 12 to 11, 11 to 10, 10 to 9, 8. This is the anti-clock. You can observe on your hands also. This was the clock, and left to right is the clock, and right to left is the anti-clock. These are the clock and anti-clock directions. It is very important to do the mental ability. Also, every mental ability question you will get in the mental ability, every square box only. Total questions will come in the square box only, like that. In that also you have knowledge of this division, like that. You can do these corners. This is the one place, one place, one place, one place, one place, one place, one place. Moving this is the clockwise, and reverse is the anti-clockwise. You have this knowledge, this squash knowledge is very important, clock and anti-clockwise. Also, suppose this is the dot is here, it's moved first one place, again it's moved 4 places, means obviously it moved 3 places clockwise, means 1, 2, 3, it will here. You have to make the square as a like that. It is also very important. We will go for now the subject. First is the part 1. Part is the every part they used to give you introduction about the what is the part. Means there is no proper order. It will come any order. First, it will come similarities like that. Anything. But most of the cases you will get first is the odd man out and next is the similarities, next is the series, incomplete series like that only. You follow the instructions. These are the instructions is very important. In question 1 to 4, 4 figures have been given each question. Of these 4 figures are similar in some way. One figure is different. Means one figure is different means completely this is the odd man out. Odd man out. You have to find the odd one out 4 figures. And in total section part 1, 4 figures is the odd man out. You have to remember. Now we are going for the first question. This is the A, B, C, D. You have to follow the elimination method also. It is very useful to the mental ability to do the mental ability. See here, if you observe, arrow is like that. Here is arrow. Here is. We have here arrow reverse. Means the answer is the C. The answer is the here C. And next second one, if you observe the figure, see here, this is the edge lines are there. Here also line. Here also line. Here also, here one line is missing. Means this is the different one. Answer is the D. And next if you observe, this is the rectangle, 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 square. Here inside is shaded, outside unshaded. Inside shaded, outside shaded. Inside. But every rectangle corners is shaded. But in the circle, it is a circle we have so many parts shaded. Means answer is the D. We are going for the fourth one. If you observe the figure, every figure is the similar, but in the A, it is the different. In the A, it is the different. Once go through the fourth one, it is the different. See here, this is the unshaded, shaded is there, but these 3 figures are the same. Answer is the A. Next, part 2. 4 figures, part 1 completed. Next, part 2. Part 3 is in the questions 5 to 8. A question figure is figure. 4 answers figures mark A, B, C, D. Select the answer figure which is same, exactly same the question. It's nothing but the similarities. It is nothing but the similarities. Same figure you need to find. Same figure you need to find. See here, this is the question figure. This is the question figure. You need to find the question figure from similarity figure. Same figure what we have, it is in the C. Same to same. And next question figure C. What is the same figure? It is the B. B is the answer. These are the answers. Next. And the 7th one. See 7th one here. Similarities. 3 circles are there. Here, this is the elimination method. You can do elimination method also. These 2 are not. Why? Because in this unshaded part dot is there. In this question there is no shaded. This is a little bit confusion. 3, B and C. But here 4 are there. Here 3. Most of the children will do without seeing, without counting. They can keep C also. Chances are there. That is the reason answer is B. You have to observe the figures carefully. That is very important. Now next 8th one. 8th one is the similarity. Same figure. See here, option is the A. Why? Because same to same, it is the A. B, C, D is not the answers. Next, part 3. Part 3, you have to go for the instructions 9 to 12. There is a question figure, is a part 2 which is missing. Observe the answer figures A, B, C, D. Find the answer figure without changing the direction, fits in the missing part. Means, here, question figure, one part is missing. Means this is nothing but incomplete figures. This part is nothing but incomplete figures. Means they used to give the one part is up. Anyway, it will be here also, here also, here. You have to follow, find the proper figure. See here, if you observe, this line will be extended like that. Here 1 places are there, 2, this is a 3 means obviously you will get the 4 places. Where we have that line, it is in the C. C is the answer. C is the answer. C is the answer. Next question here, 10th one. Here also it is the incomplete figures. Incomplete figures here. We need to check the extension. See here, This is the see. This is the missing part. Means it is the extension. Where we have extension and some lines, dots are there on the line. It will be in the A. And next here, this is also extension and some like that. Where we have is in B. See, this is edge side, this is also edge side. The answer will be the C. Answer is the B. 11th answer is the B. And 12th one, see here. Here, this model is, this is the opposite. This is the opposite, means obviously in down part is will be also, it will be the opposite. The exact answer is the B. It will be the answer is the B. Next one more part, you have to go for the directions. Part 4. See here, what is the part 4 here? In the question 13 to 16, there are 3 question figures on the left side and the space for the 4th figure is left side blank. Here 4 figures, in that left side one is the blank. The question figures are in series. Find out one figure among the answer figure. This is the series on the right side which occupies the blank space for the 4th figure. On the left side completes the series. See here, series only in this, before whatever we discussed the 3 parts, these are all easy only. But whenever you are going to the series analogy, like cutting figures, it will be the little bit tough. Series, see here, how many squares are there? 3 circles. Here 2 circles came. Here 1 removed and 3 circles are there. Now what will come here? 1 more removed, 4 circles are there. Where it is here? It is in the D. Answer is the D. Next here this place 1 dot came, circle came. One more next time what will come? 1 more dot will come. Where it is? It is in the C. C is the right answer. Answer C is the right answer. Whenever you are doing the series, you have to be little bit careful. Next one, here 15th one, arrow, opposite came, 1 more arrow, this will be opposite, means arrow, the next, arrow, arrow. Where is the answer in this? The answer will be the D. Answer is the D. And next 16th one, see here, this one is the 1 and next dot is there. Next 1 more dot. Next 1 more dot means here 4 will come and 4 circles will also come. You have to check from here. Suppose here the confusion in the A and D is not. Why? Because here 3 circles are. We have the B and C confusion. But if you observe the question properly, see everywhere here the part is down. The part is down. Here slight is there. Means answer is the B. This is only very important. You have to check the figures very carefully. This little only is going to wrong. Most children here 4 are there. Here 4 are they blindly will tick C. Not like that. Series is a little tough part. Please see that whenever doing the series, you have to observe the figures. Series is very easy. When you are doing, you have to remember only ascending order, descending order, clockwise, anti-clockwise. In the series, either it will be moves or otherwise it will be anti-clockwise move, clockwise move. Either it is increasing order, otherwise it is decreasing order. Right? Analogy. Please see here, part 5. 17 to 20 is the analogy. Analogy, see, question figure, analogy. Whenever you have to remember this is the analogy means 2 dots like that it will be. Is there? That is the analogy question. Analogy questions mean the first to second figure, whatever will happen, the third and fourth figure will also happen same. Whatever in the first to second figure, if it is first figure will be get the mirror image, means you have to apply third, fourth also mirror image. Otherwise, water image means what? Analogy you have to remember, either it will be water images, mirror images, or it will be clockwise and anti-clockwise only moving. See here what happened. This circle moves to 90 degrees anti-clockwise, reverse like that. Same thing you have this box also. Same, if you move with this anti-clock, the planets will come, this 3 will come here. Where it is? It is in the A. In the analogy, it will have clockwise or anti-clockwise. Otherwise, mirror images, water image only will have. See here, one more 18th one, see, these two extra, this part came in this. Here also these two. We need to take extra part. How many? See, this is a cross. Here it is the C. It is very easy. Here these are there. In the middle it came extra. Same here or there. In the middle it is came extra. It is the C. Answer is the C. And next, 19th one. See here. Here what happened? Say it was reversed. It like that. It was reversed. Middle it is happened. What happened in the middle? This middle happened. It is only this middle part. See here, if this middle part becomes a like that. Same thing, it is also reversed. 1, 2, 1, 2. This part becomes a 0. Here if you observe, the answers will be A and B is not elimination method. But in the B and C, the answer will be 1. But you have to check one thing. Here the line is edge is not there. Here the line is there. In the question there is no line edge, means answer is the B. This is the answer. And next here see, same thing, but the second one reversed here. Same thing it will be. In the second one it will be reversed. Answer is the C. Answer is the C. This is the analogy. This is also one of the little bit tough topic. Series, and whenever you are doing the series and analogy, you have to remind only one thing, that is ascending order, descending order, otherwise clockwise, anti-clockwise directions. It is very important. Next one more is also the elimination method. First you have to check the wrong answers, you have to take off. Any two answers are nearest answer similar is there. Whatever wrong is there in that two, and choose the right answer. That will be the very important whenever you are solving the mental ability. Next question. Next part, it is a 21 to 20. Most of the children will confuse here only because they can't decide the play. This part is the cutting figures. Cutting figures is nothing but make a square, otherwise make a square, otherwise make a circle, make a rectangle, anything geometrical figure, means they will give one part of the figure. You have to attach the same thing to what is the, it will make a square. That, see here, this is a cutting figure, triangle, square or circle. See, they gave this part, which part if you keep, it will become a square. You have to keep like that here, dotted line. See here, like that, you have to keep this dotted line. You can easily observe this. This type of shape we need from the options. See here, where we have, this is the C, in the A, no, because this part is missing. In C, no. In the C, no. This straight away is there, it is no. Means in the D, it is exactly suitable. Means answer is the D. Answer is the D. Whenever you are doing the figures, you have to check each and every option. For this part, you have to check every option. It's very important. Okay. Next here, go for the 22 and 23. This is also cutting figures only. See here. And next, see here, what is this? It is very easy. This part. Where we have, it is in the B only. Directly, if you keep this part, it will become a square. And now it is a circle. See, I'm keeping the blue with dotted. Same type of need we need from the option. If you observe, see here, A, No, because we need this type. In the A, it is not there. Means it is wrong. In C, no, because these many angles are there. We didn't have that. If you observe, B and D also just similar. We need this type. Okay, we need this type. We have this only B. Here, what line is extra is there? In that we didn't have in that. Means answer is B. Answer is the B. Analogy and cutting figures. Next here, one more. Make a square. See here, line, line. Here you need to count how many are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is up to this like that half we need to count. See here, this is the C is not, 2 is not. Only 3 we need to up. But some children will mistakenly, this will be also of the top, but it is not. It will be on. See here, this is the A is the answer. 3 up, part is there. That is the A. Series A. Next one, 25 to part 7. Part 7. 25 to 28. There is a question figure given. 4 answer figures mark given. Select the figure which is the mirror image. Mirror image and water image. If suppose this is the question figure mark. If the mirror is this side and this side. This is considered in the mental ability as a mirror. This you need to do the mirror image. This is the mirror image is nothing but right goes to left, left goes to right. Whenever this type figure is we have like the up, down, top and bottom, that's the water image. Is the water image. Is nothing but top goes to bottom, bottom goes to. This is the water image. Here it is the mirror image. Means left goes to right, right goes to left. Same circle there is. Whenever mirror images and water images if you are doing, there is no change of the mirror images top and bottom. Only left and right will be changed. But water images, there is no change of the left right. Only it will change of the top and bottom. See here, circle in the middle also same. This left comes to right, right comes to left. Where we have this is in the B. Next one, see mirror image is 7. You will become like that. And this triangle, circle. When we have it, this type of, it is in the B. This triangle comes here, this circle comes to here. Answer is the B. This is a very easy in the mental ability. And next 27, see here, mirror image or mirror image only. But we have here alphabet. See P, V, A. P, V, A. Answer is the B. Answer is the B. Next here, this is a three-dimensional mirror images. See here, you have check first in it is in the middle E. Look at this part. This is the shaded. And this part also, this lights like that means it will come like that. And 3 dots are there. Where you have like that it is, see you have to check these lights also. It is very important. Because if you go for the option A and option C are the suitable for this. But here, in the lines you have to check. Only lines will be the lines. See here, this is the lines this side, this line, this. Answer is the C. Answer is the C. Everything you need to observe each and everything in the mirror images. And let's see here, one more, 8th part. Mostly in the 10th part, this is the first part. This is a paper folding figures. Paper folding figures is nothing but, first if you take, I will explain one paper. See, I am taking this paper. This is a paper. They will give you the paper on the instructions. Fold. Suppose I am folding like that. I am folding like that. And after opening, what will happen? What will happen here? Here extra folded marks came. See, this line came. If I keep any fold, that is also will come. When you hold. Suppose and paper is folding like that. Same. There is no proper order. That's what will happen. So many marks will come on the paper. You have to follow just paper folding. That only. Whatever folding after, what will come resolve. But now I'm taking the plane. You have no very important one thing. Suppose if your paper is folding like that, okay. If you folding paper like that, one plain paper, it is a mirror image. If you paper folding down, it is a water image. Means water image means if you keep something here, it will compulsory obviously will come up also water image. If you something do here, it will come, it is here the mirror image. Mostly the paper folding, water images and mirror images only will come. See here now first question. Here they folded four parts. Four parts they like that. Means this part will come like that. Every four parts also you will get like that only. See here. See. Where we have this type of the same, it is in C. If you open. And next, one more paper folding 30. Here triangle, square, they folded like that. If you open, you will get like that. Same like that. Here they gave the punch as a triangle. Means here you will get like that. Here you will get like that. Here you will get the like that. Where we have it is in C. It is in C. Here see if you observe, they folded same triangle like that. But you will get first basic figure is like that. They as a arc form means if you open it is full cup, this place only we will get full circle because here there is no cutting. This opposite sides we didn't get anything. Answer will be the what is the answer here? It is in the A. Why? Because they only punched here only. They only punched here only. Next 32. Here also they made the paper. They made the this is the curve, sorry, this is the curve. They made the curve like that means what will come? Same like that, like that, like that. Answer is the C. Answer is the C. The next question, next part, it is the 9th part. Shape after added figure. Shape after added figure. It's nothing but they used to give you shape after figures, added figure. What? They used to give the small pieces to you, small pieces to you. In that small pieces, you have to make a one proper shape. Means every small that diagram should be you have to see in that side of the. See here, we have this triangle, one square, then this side. You have to check everything, whatever. See here, if you see here, in that this triangle, but we didn't have that. Here one square is there and this part is also there. This part is also this. Means answer will be the B. Next go for the next one 34. Oh. See here shape of the added figure. You have if they give the 4 figures means you in the answer also we need to get 4 figures. See this part here, this here, this square here means answer is the B. This is a very easy. See here, this part, this and one triangle here. Where we have, this is here, this is here, this is here, this is A. Check every option in the other options also, anything else. See here, this is there, this is there, this is also, same like that. But the triangle here, this is the right angle triangle is there. Here also is there. Which you have to make out of 2, which one is the correct and you have to keep the correct answer. 36, see here. How many figures are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 figures are there. See, if you observe, this is the one part and this is if you add, this part is not there here. Here we need to get 2 triangles. Where we have the 2 triangles, you have to check that. See here, this is the one part is here, this triangle is there. Answer is the C. And next, hidden figures. Hidden figures means hide and seek game. It's like a hide and seek game. Because one question figure is hidden in the 4 options, you have to find that hidden part in the answer figure. See here, this is the question figure. You need to find out this type of figure in the 4 options. These are all called hidden figures. One more language is the embedded figures, everything. See, like that. Okay. If you observe here, this part half half, you will get in the D. This is a hidden figure. And next to here, 30 next to here, this type, half curve and triangle. Where we have here half curve, triangle down, it is in the A. If you observe, here is also, but here attachment is different. Here upside. So answer is A. And next L. L shape is obviously you will get in the B. And next this part. If you observe, it is in the A. See here, same. These are the 40 questions for the mental ability. And next you have the video of the maths. We are discussing number system, simple questions, whatever every year getting in the Navodaya. Watch our channel for the Navodaya model papers and important questions. Thank you.
సెషన్ ఎండ్ కొట్టాను 48